Meaning of fogbound.
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 Fogbound. Fogbound is an adjective that describes a situation where visibility is severely restricted due to the presence of dense fog. It means being trapped or unable to move because of the fog. In such conditions, it can become very dangerous to travel or even to be outdoors, as there is a high risk of accidents and disorientation. Fog-bound conditions can also cause delays in transportation, leading to cancellations or rescheduling of flights and other modes of travel. Overall, being fog-bound means being stuck and unable to navigate through a thick, obscuring mist.